Look, have you ever thought about how motivated you were at 16 or 18? Big dreams, big energy. You thought you'd figure everything out. And then, life happened. Bills, comfort, distractions. And somehow, that version of you feels further away every year. Yeah, this isn't about age. This is about what quietly changed. My name is Carl, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people stop growing even though they have more resources than ever. If you're someone who feels busy, capable, but strangely underwhelmed with where you're headed, make sure to watch this video till end. Here's the thing, most people don't peak because they lack talent. They peak because their environment stops demanding growth. According to research from Stanford and MIT, human learning speed and adaptability peak in the late teens, but only if challenge stays high. When challenge drops, growth drops. Here's what most people don't realize. After school ends, no system forces progress anymore. No grades, no deadlines, no clear scoreboard. So instead of growth, we default to comfort. Now let's talk money for a second. If you earn $50,000 a year and never intentionally increase your skills, even a 3% raise barely beats inflation. Over 10 years, that's the difference between earning about $575,000 versus over $750,000 if you actively upskill and negotiate. That gap isn't intelligence, it's intentional growth. This is where it gets really interesting. Psychologists call this identity freeze. Your brain locks onto the version of you that once worked and resists change because change feels risky, even when staying the same is worse. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Carl, but I'm not 18 anymore. What's the point? Here's the truth. Growth doesn't care about age. It cares about pressure. So here's what to do, starting this week. 1. Reintroduce discomfort on purpose. Learn one hard skill that scares you. 2. Create artificial deadlines. Treat life like school again, self-assigned exams. 3. Measure progress weekly. If it's not measured, your brain won't respect it. Think of it like this. Muscles grow only under resistance. So does your life. Look, peaking at 18 isn't a failure. Staying there is. The moment you decide to outgrow who you were last year, your future opens back up. If this made you think differently, subscribe and comment the skill you're committing to rebuild this year. Your next peak hasn't happened yet.